This is the outgoing shipping table. I walked in this morning and found this. I'd like to say that this never happens. Good morning, Way. How are you? But it happens all the time. These are all outgoing, right? They need to be FedExed out to distro, and they don't fit on the pallets. So I'm going to think of a solution. So part of the solution is going to be these Kaizen corners from FastCap. Keep them by the desk, all our FastCap stuff. And we're going to lay the stuff out on the floor and create a rolling solution, something that's mobile and something that will help us keep that desk clean. Use these. All right, so Kaizen corners down there, outgoing only, cool. And we can wheel this from here, where the skid wrapper is, back over to there. And that is a very short distance. So this is going to save time every day. I don't have to move a bunch of boxes onto the floor or out of my way when I'm packing this stuff up. It's not going to screw up Min and Alex when they're trying to do stuff over here. I also relabeled all the tape gun stuff, relabeled some stuff over here and here. So this is much leaner. We've leaned something that's already lean. So and we'll let everybody know about this. And yeah, here we go. Save 2 seconds.